Tonight, on a rainy Monday. So this first song, first of all, this is my guitarist Charles, and my name is Sonia Dali, and I'm going to perform for you tonight 3 tracks. And the first one is called A Part of Me. So basically it's about when you break up with someone and there's 2 parts, and one part wants to move on and the other one is just holding on. So I'll try to explain it.
Another me ends up in fears. A part of me just say goodbye. This other me just want to try to build my life without you here, to heal me, wash away the tears, to feel this love just once again. It feels inside, it's just the end. A part of me can't let you go. Another me just need to grow and be the one who still believe, be over these memories. Which part of me I wanna be? Yeah, no. Which part of me my life can be? Snow in my life, freezing my heart, falling the rain, season passing by, I feel alive again. Summer breeze, I'm moving on, I want to feel them getting strong. Which part of me my wife can be? To be, yeah. A part of me just saw you out, and all these feelings came to me. A part of me just wanna die. This other me just want to lie and hide this noise inside of me. Stop the sound of this melody, calling your name in every line.